Today, guys, I'm just going to be playing some rivals. Basically, it. Yeah, basically it. And also, I'm going to be opening a haunted skin case as well. See what I get. Let's see what I want. Ooh, that is sick. The grenade is nice. Daggers. Oh, that is. There's a lot of skins that I like in here. Okay, I'm gonna turn around. 3, 2, 1. Oh, ouch. No, we did. I did not just get that. No, 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 that is cold. That is cold. It's so good. Oh my gosh. That is so good. And also, I'm going to give a shout out to my friend Kramer Warner. Please go and subscribe to him. Please. Just please. Why did that suddenly fly? Dang. Okay. We're gonna play some Limitless Loadout. It's called. Fuck you, game. Stupid game. Stupid everything. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Oh my gosh. I got it on one of the weapons that I don't own. The one bundle that I do not have. Brilliant. See who we're reversing. Let's do construction because I'm gonna snipe. Crazy. Just watch, okay? Okay? Let's go. Let's run it. How did I clutch that? Who's going full pay to win? Hey guys. Sorry. Oh, just so you know on how to reload, you just gotta press R. It's me or I don't know. Stop speaking different language. I'm not saying that it's bad. I'm saying why. I have gotten a lot better at rivals. That was cold. Holy, get out. I'm a good PC player. I'm not really that good on mobile though. Oh, dang. My teammates. Actually, I'm gonna switch my weapons. No. I think that that'll be. Let's do minigun. Come on. Come on. Yo. Wait. I got a real good idea. I'm my troller. I'm gonna hit her off the map. Oh my god, bro. Let's try to use flamethrower. No, this guy. Oh my god. What is this like 200? Dude, this is all you. Walk in. Walk in, dude. You got this. You got this. I believe in. Watch out. Watch out. Hey, it's good. It's good. It's fine. It's fine, dude. Don't worry. Believe in yourself. Oh my gosh. Ready, guys? Oh my god. I messed up there. I'm gonna use Warhorn instead. Well, what is that loadout? You just want all the double jump that you can possibly get. Dude, stop cracking your fingers. This is why. Oh, no. Everyone is using horrible loadouts. I don't get why. Yeah, we're losing. Yeah, GG's. That one was quite bad. That was a bad round. I like my burst. There you go, guys. Yes, I do have a ton of skins on my burst. I really like my skins. Like burst rifle, I will have to say, is one of the best weapons in the game. To be honest, I'm so sorry about that, bro. Who has only one? I only have an RPG. That's it. Huh? I don't like people who go pay to win. Actually, actually, that happened. 300 damage. Just yeah. Auto shoot is kind of crazy though. What is this guy doing? That was so close. Not gonna lie, that was way too close. Don't do that ever again. Please don't. Crack your knuckles and then go right down. No, no, no. There is something wrong with you, dude. You're wasting your life. Why? Why would you do that? Use your daggers. Use your daggers. Haha, you missed. You missed. Okay. Ready, guys? Ready for me to walk in? A what? Not the Storm Twins. Oh my god. Who uses flare gun? Who uses flare gun? So stupid. Juggernaut 1v7. Let's scan it is. I know so far. I'm about a flamethrower. Wait. If I'm Juggernaut, dude, if I'm Juggernaut, I crush out. I hate being Juggernaut. No. Uh, no. No! Get out! Juggernaut, dude! Hate Juggernaut! Stupid! Juggernaut! Come here, big boy! There we go. Just like that. There, someone left. That's good for me. Ah, 2-0, 2-0, 2-0. Come on, come on. Let's go. I hate being sugar. Ah, come left. That was an easy round. Easy round. Come on. Let's keep this going. Not a bad load up or whatever. Come here if you dare. Come down. There we go. 4-0 so far. Let's keep this up. Let's keep this good thing up. There, dead. Dead. 50. Easy 5-0. GG's. 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 Cacto hippopotamus. Okay, let's do another one. Come on, let's get someone good. Let's not be Juggernaut. I don't like being Juggernaut. To be honest, dude, Juggernaut is not. Don't be a meanie. I'm not. I'm not. But oh, by the way, shout out to Kramer Warner. Okay, guys, shout out to Kramer Warner. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my god. Why is our Juggernaut level 67? No, 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 nah, nah, nah. I'm gonna use minicap. Oh my gosh, I only hit him for 40 damage. What is this kid? 50 on him? Dude, my team, my team sucks. My team sucks. My team sucks. My team sucks. You love your RPG, stupid. Get up here. Get up here. Or are you just a little scaredy cat? Scaredy cat. Those tum tum tumcitos. How did he hit that? Okay, we have 700 health versus 3,000 health. That ain't fair. I hate like the jumping and stuff. Why? Oh no, guys. Do you know what? Dang, I just did a lot of damage. I'll come out wherever you are. I'll come out wherever you are. Oh my gosh. Dude, 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 come on. Please log in for us. Log in. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. I did like 2,000 health. No one else used. Dude, my team. My team. Come out to whatever you know. Oh my god. I think he likes using RPG, so you gotta go really far away from him. Wait. Ah, nah, nah, haha. Ah, nah, 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 nah. I got a good plan on my sleeve. I got a good plan. I got a real good plan up my sleeve. Okay, okay, 150, 150. Come on, come on, come on. Lock in, lock in, lock in. Walk the freaking. Reload your. Reload. 75? 30, 37.5? 37.5 again. Safe up. Good job. Oh my god. Okay, okay. GG's, GG's. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. Oh my god. Bro messed up. Bro messed up. Bro messed up. I have 38 health right now. Kinda good. Yeah, that's what I thought. Whatever. 5v1. Blow this. Blow this out. Oh my gosh, how did he hit that? Thing didn't even show. I didn't realize on how he. Wait, no way that I forgot to go up on there. How was that a miss? That okay. Oh my gosh. The misses. You do that? Oh. M. Mm, mm, mm. What am I even supposed to do? That's just not the thing. You need to show me if there's an RPG. It's like I don't see RPG shots. And this guy is still using that weird photo. You see, you need like 30 of those. 149. GG's. GG's. I think I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys all for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.